Sneakers have become such a big thing here in the Philippines that local politicians have been using them as giveaways to the youth, especially when they do their campaigning. We saw the Air Binay 1.0 last year. There was a Mamba Mandaluyong shoe. There was a shoe from Mayor Erap over at Manila City. And even Bongo, who's running for the Senate, came out with the 3-Point King shoe, a basketball sneaker that came out like a few months back. I did a review on that, link down below. For today, we have version 2.0, the upgraded version of the sneaker that started the trend. Guys, this is my unboxing or unwrapping or unpackaging of the Makati City Air Binay 2.0. Subscribe to the channel yet, we are about to finish our giveaway. We are about to draw the winners to the Rose Gold and Black giveaway, as well as the 3 5,000 peso gift certificates from Soul Republic. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. Hit that subscribe button now, as in now. And then click the notification bell and then hit any of the links down below so you can see the rest of the mechanics. The sneakers that I have in my hand are sneakers that are given away to public school students in Makati City by the Mayor Abigail Binay. So they were kind enough to send the pair over for our review. Please take note that this is not a political endorsement. It's really more of I just love shoes and I find this so fascinating and I just want to take this out and, you know, try them on feet. So let's go. So as you guys can see, it comes in this like duffel bag or dust bag thing in color white and light blue trimmings with blue detailing. You have the seal of the Makati City up front, and when you pop it open, obviously you go straight into the sneaker. Now, this is what the sneaker looks like. At the top, you have a gray mesh material with an attached tongue, so it's not detached. It looks, oh yeah, it's very breathable. I can kind of see through it a bit. And that material goes all the way until here at the back, until you hit some sort of like leather patch here at the heel. Now at the heel, you have a white leather material, and the detailing and the accent, of course, you get with that M, which obviously stands for Makati City because that's the city where this shoe is being distributed. At the tongue tab, by the way, you have the Lungsod ng Makati logo over there. That's where you see over there. And you have a blue and white pull tab here at the back of the shoe. The collar of the ankle is padded, and that should definitely help with the overall support that you get when you walk with the shoe. And yeah, that takes it for the upper. If we go to the midsole, you have 3 layers. There's a blue line over here that probably functions as some sort of guidance to the foot if you are walking, to be able to make sure that your feet are probably supported. And then you get to the actual midsole material. If you take a close look at it, I mean, it reminds me a lot of the cushioning technology that we've been seeing a lot lately with all the different brands. You have the Boost technology of Adidas, the React technology of Nike, the Everrun technology, and a bunch of Under Armour has their own technology as well. So all of them have like different takes on foam, balanced and, you know, composed to be able to deliver exceptional energy response. And that seems to be the case here, and we will be trying that out in a few. And lastly, we have the blue rubber outsole. Now, the great thing about the aesthetic about this one is that you see all 3 layers. So they extended the color of the outsole a bit so that you see more dimension and more character. So it's not just blue and white if you take a look at the bottom part of the shoe. Style-wise, I would still think that the first version of the Binay sneakers were better. I like the all-white look with the blue accents. I just find the gray color of this one to be a little bit too generic, but hey, they definitely made up with it with the midsole. So whatever downgrade that we got in terms of look and aesthetic for the upper, they definitely made up with the overall quality and the cushioning and the comfort that you get with the shoe. Now, speaking of comfort, I was able to do an on-feet of this one, but I wasn't able to do an extended on-feet experience. Why? Because the biggest size that they had was European 44. That's roughly 10.5 or 11. I am a size 12. So I can cram my feet into the shoe, and I did. And you will see it somewhere here in this video right now. But as you guys can see, my toes are literally bursting from the top of the shoe. But I was able to get a good feel though of the cushioning that you get with the midsole. And I was impressed. I was really thinking that they would just ship an inferior quality product, but that's not the case with this one. The cushioning on this shoe is pretty good. The traction that you get with the outsole is also pretty impressive. Made me wish that they actually came out with the size 12 so I can actually wear it because that would be fun. And lastly, I was very, impressed and happy that it is still friendly, quite friendly for people with wide feet. Again, only issue is the sizing. I couldn't get a really good feel for it, so I can't give you like the full performance review, but I can give you guys an idea based on what I did when I cramped my feet into the shoes. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing and limited on-feet review of the Makati City Air Binay 2.0. Now, at this point, I'd like to hear from you guys. Let me know down in the comment section down below what you think of the overall style of the Air Binay 2.0, especially when you compare it with the Air Binay 1.0. I will be putting a link to my earlier review and unboxing of the first version of this sneaker down below. And it would be great if you guys check that out, watch it, and then compare it to the sneaker that I have here on my hand. So guys, that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are all having a great weekend, and I hope that you all feel recharged for the coming week ahead. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.